Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can turn on adapt sound on a Samsung Galaxy phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can go to our settings application. And after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the sounds and vibration setting. This one. Okay, and here you have to scroll down a little bit until you find the sound quality and effect. All right. And here you just need to click on the toggle button to activate the adapt sound feature. Click on this toggle button. Now the adapt sound has been activated and you can click on this adapt sound option to customize the feature. You can select under 30 years old or 30 to 60 years old, or you can select over 60 years old. And for me, I'm just going to select this one. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn on adapt sound on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.